Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by working non-destructively. Duplicate the background layer and create a blank layer for fixes. Use a precise selection tool, lasso, pen, or quick selection, to trace the graph edges. This limits corrections to the affected area. Once done, refine the selection with select and mask to soften edges so healing blends naturally. Make sure to save a snapshot or version so you can revert. Now that the graph is isolated, you're ready to remove it with healing tools and content-aware techniques. You'll rely on content-aware fill first because it analyzes surrounding pixels and recreates realistic textures. Choose sample all layers and customize sampling area if needed. After the initial fill, switch to the spot healing brush for small artifacts and use the clone stamp at 50 to 70% opacity to rebuild repeating patterns or straight lines. Make sure to work in small passes and alternate between tools. Then refine transitions with a soft layer mask, so the repaired area integrates seamlessly. Finish by blending texture and tone. Use frequency separation to independently correct color and fine detail when the patch looks flat or blurry. Once textures align, match overall color and contrast with curves or levels and a clipped hue/saturation layer if necessary. Make sure to zoom out frequently to check for repeating patterns or visible seams. If things go wrong, reselect the problem area, lower brush opacity, resample nearby clean pixels, and redo the content-aware or cloning step until the repair reads natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.